Okay, guys, good morning, everyone. Hope everyone is able to see the screen. So, in the last session, we have seen what is it? You've completed the case study now, everyone. Please. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, Samir.
Yes, Samir.
So, we have already completed the mounting is completed already.
Yes, Samir.
Okay, so let's start with the further case study. So, before that, we'll start up the session here, guys. So, guys, I'm starting up the session first. Click on the create. And now, guys, I'm creating the ADB RG as the resource group. And now change this data center to some other. The event created. And now, guys, I'm starting up the session. Start the Azure Databricks and create the workspace first. Select the resource group and workspace name. I'm using it as the same one. Click on the review and create it, guys. So let's just create, guys, first. Okay, guys, till the time it creates, we'll discuss the case study. Okay. So here I'm just going ahead with the third case study. So guys, this is the case study 3. So guys, the case study 3 and the title of the case study, everyone. Copy data from Azure Blob storage to Azure Blob storage using, what is that guys? SAS token. Using what is that? SAS token. That is called as what? Shared access signature. So guys, here, whatever we have used in the last session, the last 2 sessions we have used everyone. Okay, guys. So the difference between this one and this one is that I'll tell you. To access the data from the blob storage, everyone, just go here. To access the data from the blob storage, guys, you have these 3 methods. Can you see here, everyone? Already I wrote it here. Different methods of accessing, the data from the Azure Blob storage. What is that? The first one is access a blob storage using the direct connections. So without maintaining the secrets, everything somewhere, okay, directly we can use it. So this we have already seen this, guys. And mounting, in the last session we have seen already how to create the mount points, everything. And today we are going to see the shared access signature. The difference between these two is that this won't disconnect automatically unless until you retain it, or unless until you disconnect it manually, it won't work, guys. Okay. But the shared access signature can be designed for 1 day to, what is that, 6 months. 1 day to 6 months, anytime. So from 1 day to 6 months, you want to disconnect automatically after the, after a day, after 24 hours you want to disconnect it, so that you can use it by using the shared access signature. That is called as what? SAS. So guys, what is SAS stands for? SAS stands for what? Shared access signature. What is that? Shared access signature. So today we are going to see what is a SAS. What is that? Shared access signature, and how does it works? So guys, everyone is clear now? Please respond. Yes, guys, I want an answer. So everyone is clear now, responding.
Yes, Samir.
Hello.
Yes, Samir.
So this is how it works. So now I'm writing down the steps here first of all. So I'm writing down the steps one. Step one. So guys, I'm giving you the steps and all just to get you that is easily you can just make out. Create blob storage first. Step two. Create Azure Key Vault service. So we will use this Azure Key Vault to maintain the secrets so that other users, okay, should not see your, can you see here? Other users should not see your, everyone, other users should not see your, what is that? Access keyword or access password directly. To maintain the secrets, we use, what is it? The Azure keyword. So as already you know this, guys. So let's do one thing now. Let's start the session first. So the workspace is ready here, guys, everyone. The workspace is ready. So I'm just going ahead with the workspace. Go to this one. And now launch the workspace. So following everyone, yes, please respond. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
Samir.
Amit.
The next one is create the compute here. So click on the create tab, guys. So just use it here. Cluster. Samir is the name of my cluster. Then next one is what? So just do one thing now. Select the 14. So that's it, guys. So here I'm changing it. So here I want what is it? Multiple nodes. Same as driver. That's it, guys. Click on the create now. So with while till the time it creates, we'll go with the this case. Okay, what's it? Creating the Azure Blob storage and creating the keywords. So just go here, guys. So click on this. I'm just opening this. So how to create the blob storage, guys? Just go to the portal.azure.com. Then afterwards use the blob storage here. What is that blob storage? How to create a blob storage? So whenever you want to create a blob storage, use the storage account, guys, everyone. And now click on the create. So I'm just creating it, the account here. So I'm using the guys. Can you see here, everyone? So I'll use it. Source Samir. That's it. Okay. Source Samir is the name I'm using it. So that's it. This is my blob storage. So click on the review and create it. So now, guys, this is the one. So the cluster is creating. Meanwhile, I'm just creating the this one, guys. That is the. Can you see here, everyone? Ready, guys? Go here. Now, first of all, create the container here. How to create the container, guys? How to create the container, guys? On the left blade, everyone. Click on the storage browser. Click on the blob container. I'm creating a container with a name called, guys, everyone. Global is the name of the container. And now, after the container is designed here, I wanted to add a subfolder here. So just for good practice purpose, I'm adding a subfolder. So can you see here? I'm using in this. I'm using the subfolder name as what? input. Okay, guys. Now, under this, upload the files here. Browse it. Now, today I'm just uploading some data here. I'm choosing employees east and employees north. Two files I'm using it, guys. Okay. These all practice files will be available into the this the Google Drive which is given to you. Okay. For you, Tanuj, you can just check with if you have it, it's okay, or else you can message me directly. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Now it's ready, guys. So now the source is ready now. So now under the global container, I have the input as a subfolder. Under the input subfolders, we have these two files. Okay. So meanwhile, check the cluster is ready. Ready, guys. Hmm? Now, so these two steps we have done it already, guys. The first step we have done it. So the blob creation is done. Now the second step is what? Create the Azure data. Now that is Azure keywords. So use the Azure keyword. So how to create the Azure keyword? Just go here, open a new one. So just open this, guys. This is a separate service we have to start. So here I'm just typing it keywords. Open the keywords. Now, guys, click on the create tab. Everyone is following now. Please respond.
Yes,
Okay,
Samir.
guys. Select the same resource group. So I'm using Samir AKB. Samir AKB. See here. The name I'm using it as what? Everyone. Can you share? Samir AKB. And just come to the access configuration. Now click on the, guys, vault access policy. And now click on the new created. Provide the permissions here. I want what's it? Keys and secret management. Anything you can choose. You can choose either the keys, secrets, and certificate management, secret and certificate management, key management, secret management, anything you can use it. So I'm using keys and secret management. Click on the next. Okay, guys. So here, what is it? You have it. So here you have it. The workspace is here. The cloud innovatives. Yeah, select it here. Click on the next. Click on the next. Create it, guys. So that means this one I'm assigning the permissions, guys. Click on the review and create it. Create it now. So now, guys, create first. So here the cluster is ready. I'll create the notebook. Notebook name. Let the notebook, we'll just create it here. Access blob storage using SCS. That is called a shared access signature. Okay, guys. So just wait here. The key vault is ready. Go to the resource in the key vault. From the left to blade, guys, everyone. Can you see here? Just see here. Left to blade here. So go to the blob storage, and here you can find it here. Secure under the settings, you have it. So can you see here, everyone? Select the settings. Under the settings, you don't have SCS now. So just a minute. Security plus settings is there. Here you will find shared access signature. Just a minute. Just a minute. Open this. Here you will find it. No. Just a minute. You'll find a separate one. Shared access signature. Okay. This is a keyword now, guys. Go to the blob storage here. In the blob storage, last time what we have used, access keys, we have used it now. Now this time we are using the shared access signature here. Just open this. So once you are there into the shared access signature, can you see it? Select it. Allow resources type. Under the allow resources type, select all of them. Containers, services, service, object, and containers. Can you see it? Start and expiry date will be given here. Start date is 28/10/2024 at 9:27:50. Okay. And end date is what is that? 5:27 p.m. That means automatically this will be disconnected after this. Okay. So once it is done, come down, click on the, guys, click on what is that? Guys, everyone, click on what is that? Generate SaaS connection string. Click on this. You have it. Can you see it? It has generated the, these are the tokens. Basically, can you see it? This is the date. This is the information, connection information is given to you. This is valid for only 5 to 6 hours, whatever it's given. Okay. So copy the SaaS token here. Copy the SaaS token, everyone. Go back to here. Okay, guys. Step 4, I'm writing it. Step 3. Step 3, I'm writing it. Generate SCS token. The step 4. Create secret using Azure Key Vault. Now, guys, go to the Azure Key Vault. Go to the Azure Key Vault. And now click on the secrets here. Secrets. Click on generate and import. I want to give SCS token as a name. Okay. SaaS token key, you can give the name here. Paste the Okay. So I'm just making it SAS token key now. Just write it here. The secret name I'm giving it. SAS token key. The token value already we have copied now. I'm just pasting it here. Can you see it? So already we have copied the SAS token from where? From here, this one I have copied it. SAS token I have copied. So I've pasted here and click on the create. Guys, now the token is ready, everyone. Okay. Now the token is ready. Okay. This token will automatically disconnect after the 5 hours. Okay, guys. It is valid for only today, not only today, just 4 to 5 hours it is valid now. You can reduce that as well. Okay. Once it is done, guys, everyone, once it is done, come back to this notebook. Yes, guys, are you there? Hello. Yes, ma, are you there?
Yes, Samir.
Hmm. So once you're here, you come to the notebook and just so I'm writing the fifth step also, I'll write it. Step 4 is ready. So now, everyone, guys, how does it works? Here I'm telling you, everyone. Here is the blob storage. From the blob storage, it will go to the AKV, that is the Azure keyword. And in the Azure keyword, it will search for what is it? SAS key. Then to access the SAS key into the Azure Databricks, guys, we require to create a what's that? Create a scope. And using the scope, we can access it into the ADB. Okay. So here, first of all, once it is done, guys, to whatever the SAS token is created, to access that, we have to create a scope. What's the procedure for creating a scope? You know, already I told you. Copy this. Till here .NET you can copy. Okay, guys. To create a scope, just copy till .NET. Open a new browser. Paste it here. And now, guys, use it as what? Hash step file. Write it here. What's that? Create scope to access the SAS token in ADB. That's it, guys. Okay. So create the scope here. Now, hash secrets slash create scope. That's it, guys. Create the scope now. Now, create the scope name. So I'm using the Samir secret scope as a name. No problem. I'll take the Samir secret as a scope name. I'll just make a note of it. That's it, guys. Yeah. Next one, select all workspaces. So check it here. DNS name it's asking for. What's that? Guys, it's asking for the DNS name. So where do you get the DNS name, guys? Go to the Azure keyword and now go to the properties from here. Okay. You're into the Azure keyword now, guys. So from here, what is it you have to do? Select on the properties and copy the vault URI will become your DNS name. Copy this and paste it here. Okay. And resource ID. The same one. Copy the resource ID. Paste the resource ID. Create it now. The scope will be ready now. Now, guys, the scope is verifying. The scope is ready now. Now the scope is ready, guys. Now go back to the notebook and now start the programming. Yes, guys. Please, everyone. Following or not? Please, ma.
Yes, Samir.
Now the scope is ready. So let's go with the programming on this. So now when you start the programming or when you start the coding here, how to get this code here? That is the first thing. Okay. So simply what you can do here, guys. Just type it here. Take a new and just access blob storage using SAS token. Can you see it? So you can get it here. The code, whatever you want, the code is here. So here you can just do one thing now. Just go to the connection. Just a minute. Just come back. So code you will get directly here. Okay. First of all, just do one thing now. Create the mount points. Just come here. So create. I'm writing the caption. Create mount points to mount Azure blob storage container dbfs. So write it down here. dbutils. Simply you can copy this code and as well can press type it. dbutils.fs.mount. Can use it here mount. So here you can use the source is equal to the function called wasbs colon double slash, use it here, container name. So guys, what's my container name, guys? Global is my container name. Okay. At the rate storage account name. Where is my storage account name? This is the storage account name. You have it. Source Samir is my storage account name. Just paste it here at the rate, and then afterwards use it here as what? Yes. Dot blob dot core dot windows dot net. That's it, guys. Comma and mount points. Mount underscore point is equal to mention the mount point. So I want to use the mount point MNT. You want to mount up to what, guys, everyone? To the container. What's the container? Global. Okay. 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 And then afterwards use the extra configs. This is all code you can copy it from the net. Okay, that's not a problem. Extra underscore config is equal to use this brace. Okay, curly brace. Now write it down. fs dot azure dot sas dot global. Global is the container name. At the rate. What is the storage account name? Source Samir. Dot blob dot core dot windows dot net. Okay, that's it, guys. Then afterwards use a colon here, then use dbutils because you have to mention the secrets as well. Dbutils dot secrets dot get scope. Scope is equal to what is it? The scope name. Then comma key is equal to the key name. That's it, guys. So here you have to mention the same. Okay. So what is that? dbutils. We just do one thing now. Scope name, you have already made a note here. Just copy the scope name. Summary secret scope. Key you have already created. SAS token key. Come here. That's it, guys. Okay. That's done, guys. So that's it now, everyone. So just a that's it, guys. Here, everyone. So that is the mounting. I'm running this.
dbutils dot fs dot.
Yeah. Just a minute. No problem. It's processing now. It will throw an error. No problem. We'll just do it. Now rerun this. Yeah. What is the issue? Databricks if unable to count global income source container using anonymous credentials found in them in the configuration. Okay, guys. Just a minute. Let me just check it here. dbutils dot fs dot mount slash input. You can use it. Oh, no problem. You can just get directly given the files in the time of accessing. So we have it. That's it. Find global was BS global input or the global at the rate dot blob dot core dot windows dot net. So use it here, everyone. Mount is mnt slash global. In extra configs, fs dot azure SAS dot global at the rate Just a minute. Or else let's just use dot here, okay? Global dot. Let's try to execute with the dot. Actually, dot should not be there, but let's try out. Got it, guys? Hello. Yeah, everyone.
Yeah, yes, Samir.
So that's it. Now I'm reading the data. Reading data from blob storage. So how to read it? Yes, src underscore path is the path I'm creating it. And now, guys, everyone, I'm using it as what? So copy this, but actually directly the data is not here. The data is not here actually. The data is in the input. It is in the input. Am I right? So use input / use input here because data, see here, the data is actually, just go to this one, everyone. Go to the container. In the container, in the blob storage, you don't have the data directly in the global container. In the global, you have one more subfolder called input. Under that, you have an input. So hence, I'm using it here, guys. So I'm using this one / okay, input. That's it, guys. So this is the file path. Then I'm using data frame. df is equal to spark dot read dot csv src path. That's it, guys. Done now. Then copy, let comma, header is equal to true. That's it now. Okay. Fine, ma?
Yes, Samir.
That's it here. Now run this. What is the problem? Path does not exist, it says, na?
SRC file path, I guess.
Yes, guys. So let's do one thing now. What is the problem? I'll do one thing. Just a minute. Let's say is mnt / global / input now. Okay. Let's run this now. Okay. I'll write it separately here, the data frame code. So df is equal to spark.read.csv. That's it, true here. Run this now. This code. Path does not exist, it says. Okay. No problem. We'll run this one once and we'll try to execute this one once. Info schema. Info schema is equal to true. Now run this. Still not able to find it out. Just a minute. So what we will do is, okay, sure. Just a minute. I'm just going to the storage, guys. What I will do is, instead of this one, I'll remove this because this one physically does not exist. No problem. Deleted the directory global. Now I'll upload the files once again. Just a minute. Directly upload the files here and see. That will work obviously, but I was trying to upload it through some 3 files I'm loading up. Load it. These 3 files has the same metadata, guys. Just come out. I'll rerun this one as well. What is the global? Okay. Just a minute. Go to the Databricks now. Okay. As we have just changed it. Programming effect now. No problem. What we'll do here is, let it be as it is. Just go here. SAS token. Just go to this one. AKV is there now, guys. Everyone. Go to the AKV. So do one thing now. Create a new secret here. SAS token 1. Select it here. So just copy this now. SAS token 1. So instead of this one, I will use the second. Okay. So just come back. The value it's asking for now. So just come here. I'm creating the new token for this one. Okay. So generated, import. Just a minute. Generating the same SAS token is here. Copy this. Now paste the value here. Now create it. Now guys, SAS token 1. Okay. So once it is done, guys, SAS token 1. So here you require to give the scope. Let it be same, guys. Let the scope be same, no problem. Because under the same scope, you can create it. Now run this. SAS token 1. Still not working now. Yeah, what does it says? Requested directory is already mounted, it says. No problem. So no problem. Now what I'll do is, let's create the mount point once again. And now try to run this one. Already mounting is done now. That's the reason it's not going the again mounting. Now guys, fine, everyone? Are you able to get the data? Yes.
Yes,
That's it. Reading is done now. Now you wanted to display it. Display of TF. Run this. Now got it. So all the data is copied here. All the rows, whatever you have it. So you can see here, you have 17 rows in 3 files. That's copied. So you want to count them. Df dot count. Run this. The counting is 17 rows. Okay. So once it is done, guys, I'm writing it. I'll use the same one. There's nothing but the same container to, that is the same storage to write it. Write the data from data frame to Azure Blob storage. Tf dot write dot CSV. Can you see here? I'm using where you want to write it. TRG target path. Just define the path here. TRG underscore path is equal to, where you want to write it, guys. So same path you can use it here. Container instead of global. Slash. I want to, what's it? I want to create it output underscore file. Fine, everyone. Header true, comma. True. That's it. Okay. Done now. Finally, guys. Okay. You do one thing now. Run it. The same data will be written off now. Go to this. Initial, open this global. Under that, I have output is created. Output file. Open this. Do you have file, guys? Part 1 file, part 2, part 3. Can you see here? It is written in the form of 3 files. 3 files are copied, 3 files are written here. Okay. Yes, ma? Hello.
Yes, Sumit.
Yeah, Sumit.
So this is how this thing, right? So you want to check every file individually, you can just open this. Somebody put yourself in the mute, ma. It's in recording. This is the first, the file 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows are there. And just one open this. Six rows are there. Okay. So from there, first with the header, na 6 rows. That's it. Okay. This is 6, 6, 12 plus 5, 17. So this is how it works, guys. Okay. So this is the way we can read and write the data. Okay, guys. Hello. Am I audible, guys? Everyone?
Yeah, Sumit.
That's it, guys, for the day now. And we'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see the how to access the data from the ADLS Gen 2.